Brothers, sisters, and others of all colors, welcome back to another The Outcast, the prototype, the game. Fucking welcome back. Welcome back to another prototype update video. All right. Shit has gotten a little bit better. I think this one has better game feel than my previous prototype. I think it does. Frame rate's gonna be a little shit. That's because Godot. Well, it's not really Godot. It's just the cost of having to process things, having to do like real-time compiling. I'm pretty sure that's the thing. But anyways, yeah. So we have a run state, we got a dash state, and as you can see, when you run, it gradually builds up until you do the dash, and when you let go of the dash button, it gradually slows down until you get a run. And there's like this nice like snapping to it. I might make the threshold a little smaller and slow down the amount of time it takes to reach like run speed, but I really like the feeling of like the speed snapping to the next highest speed. It really fits the well, yeah. It's really sick. It's really sick. Feels nice. Feels nice. But anyways, we also have a ledge jump. I'm using hit stop, or not really hit stop, but I'm stopping the engine. And for some reason, I can't get it to go any slower than this. But if I could, I would. The idea is that you'll be able to better redirect your jumps if there's just like a tiny delay that you'll be able to better process when your jumps are happening, because the jumps are a big commitment, given that they're just like regular ass ledge jumps, and you're mostly confined to like one direction. So I want to give the player a little bit of time to figure out where they're jumping exactly, or to change their mind if they want to, before they actually jump. I may resolve this by using a raycast instead of the typical is on floor function. But that's going to be it's a really complicated solution. It doesn't function exactly the way that I want to right now, with being able to change directions and all of that. Well, way to make a liar out of me, game. But yeah, and besides that, there's this new coat of paint. This ray right here is for ledge detection. It's not showing up right now, but this is the same ledge detection I used in the other thing. And I think I did it even better this time, because this is the detection ray is actually a parent of the ledge detector is a parent of the wall detector, so I can just move the freaking ledge detector. I can just move the ledge detector forward on the z-axis, and it just goes where it needs to go. So yeah, it's pretty fucking epic. I really like the way this jump feels, except for just how much that delay is. If I could get it a little bit, if I could freeze it just a little longer, yeah, I might not slow down the whole engine to do this. I might just stop the character's velocity. But this is good. It's good. I'm liking it. Other than that, gave it a new coat of paint. The debug menu works a lot better now. As you can see, the things aren't properly inside. That's because I gotta adjust the border size. And there's probably some shit that has to do with like content margins, and I can mess with like the font sizes and all of that, but that's not a big deal. On the other hand, I've been working on a. It's been getting significantly more complex. The debug. We're gonna have like a bar. There's gonna be a. Well, of course, we got bars. We always got bars, but there's gonna be like a debug fucking bar with like a comparison thing, and it's gonna get crazy. It's gonna get crazy real fast. But yeah, the player state machine is coming together. We really just need better visuals, I think. Um, and I think this time I'll be able to make the skid state, unlike last time where I was getting my fucking ass kicked by the skid state. I was really getting my ass kicked by the skid state. Like, wow. But anyways, we'll figure that shit out. We'll figure it out. And because I got a plan this time. I got a plan. And the thing with like the vaulting and all that shit, we'll figure that out too pretty soon. Especially with this much better ledge detection. In general, I feel a lot more confident about this project. In other news, the writing has been really fucking slow. I I just gotta get on it. I just gotta get on it. I think if I focus, if I do more writing, and I loosen up more, I think we'll get it done before October, the fourth chapter out of seven. 4 out of 7 chapters, but that's the first draft. Still, even though it will undergo major rewrites, we're pretty fucking far. We're almost over halfway through the story in terms of writing. And this is a long story for a game. So yeah, be excited for that. I'm hoping to show off more of the world, but I really don't want to spoil anything because there's so much more development. Or I don't want to talk too much about the lore or about. I feel like the lore will fuck with the story, and yeah. So I don't want to spoil too much because it might take away from the experience. It might take away from the characters coming to an understanding about the world and not knowing about the world if I explain everything. I really want my audience to be just as clueless about what the hell is going on as my characters are. But yeah. I figured I'd get some menus out of the way, and they're not complete by any means. Yeah, it's not even working right now. I just used the same background for that, but yeah, the menus aren't working right now. I don't know why this one isn't showing up in particular, but yeah, when that, I think this is going to be pretty simple to do. I think it's going to be pretty simple to do. Um, let's see. Yeah, I think yeah, the menus. We got a lot of menus going on. Hold on, let me show you guys. We'll just show you. We'll just show you what we got. UI or save dialogue. It's not much right now, but it'll do it. We have our party menu. This is a very rudimentary one. I'm not exactly. Yeah, I don't know how to fit the information on here just yet. But I'm starting to get some ideas. Inventories. And then we have the options menu, which I've just gotten started on. Well, I got started on like a while ago. It's not functional now, but much like everything else in this game, it's getting there. But anyways, yeah, that's where the outcast is right now. I really feel like I can do more. I really feel like I can do more here. But I'm also working on my stream at the same time. So yeah, yeah, I'm working on some overlay stuff for my stream, and that's like where 50% of my time is going. So yeah, that's the Outcast for you. I hope you enjoyed this little update. It's 10 minutes, wow. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you later.